deep breath in. This is a powerful sound activation. So I'm working with the power of sounds. This one is tuned in 432 Hertz. This is the frequency of love, the frequency of your heart, the frequency of nature, of your true being. So the vibration of sounds has a deep healing power, a deep power to bring you and connect you with your true essence. The remembrance of who you truly are. And freeing the gateways, opening the gateways, freeing the pathways. I'm also opening myself as a channel for energies, beings, angels, guides that want to come through me, serving in love and in light, only from love and light, to support us in this time here on earth, in this deep transformation that we are in with the world, where a lot of old is dying in the outer world and within ourselves. So the intention of this activation is to support you in this process, to give you the trust that you need to continue and to know that you are amazing, you are doing amazing, and your unique path, your unique way is always in divine perfection. So take a deep breath in. Receive exactly that supports you in your unique part of your path. You are loved. need to worry now. You are part of the whole, walking to the new. You have your unique role. Kiara nabu, tiara na yabue. Tiara nabu, na nabuere, tiabue. You can trust, you are not alone. We are here to guide you through all the feelings, including fear. To step brave, feeling it all, giving love to it all. You have the power within your heart to transform. Kiara nabue anana, diara nabue, diara na yegere. Na 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 ya, diara nabue, na na gere na. Diara nabue, na na ya, da bue ye. Kiara nabue, na na bue, na ya diere. This may reach you, who needs to hear that you are perfect, even with the fear. You are living your human experience by feeling it all. You are living your unique role here. Thank you for being you. Thank you for shining through. Thank you for shining your light in the darkest places. Thank you for giving your heart. Thank you for playing it smart by staying in the lighter, beautiful vibrations, and sharing this where you go now. Stepping brave, you know where to go. There is no wrong, only right here. Tiara na na buete, kiarantia na na, punanaya kiete, tanana na bueye. Tiastan tiara naya kiakanda bue, tan yere na naya buyu kutiane. Take a deep breath in. Wow. Butterfly, there you go, opening your wings, full of color, bringing beauty wherever you go. Even if no one understands, even if no one can receive your radiance, you are doing it for you. And by doing this for you, within you, you ripple this in the collective field, into the field of the earth, of every being that's here and beyond. Let these sounds remind you pure truth. Kunyera na 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 ye kiera na buai diana na uetiete. Kunyera na na ya buera na kiera na ya putiere tete. Kunyera na u kustieran diagara tata puere. Kundieran de ya kukandaria destia. Kunyena na na ya putie. Yasta nana kia butatai. Thank you. My energy stays with me, your energy stays with you. These activations are powerful. So take the time and listen to your body, what it needs to integrate the shifts of this activation and to integrate whatever you received from it. I love to hear how your experience was. So feel welcome to write in the comments. Or if you know that this can benefit someone, support someone in this journey who feels alone, please share it. Because that's my intention, that no one has to feel alone and that we may remind each other of the pure being that you are and that we are always connected wherever in the world you are. I love you.